Shewakanda Yandala Tamichi Pella Lonshi Sato Monte, which Changi Kombunian and Show Paolo Rangzen, Takuli Messi, Isa Zamanyali Cancer, Hanga Samade Joson. Zamle nyamde jansan gutan. Paolo Garanze kule meşe pisamedice.
Kids indeed such sort of some trouble-minded people. Then he concluded, angry.
Hello, ngati shemba le puri chicken sobe songsu yena ni kangla phero. Thank you.
Puripinda Nambalea, Shachim Karanando. T. Sukanchik Tisha Lopo Kuntoyachi Yomare. Gechipo Tambakoni Kingoare, Naratu Nangula Tende, Gecha Jaminasoji Yungur Samje. Kurangi Shachim Di, Sangmegi Zambuli, Chiso Chajana Lea, Namsa Pudingo Wajoji, Kiabare, Kiagungi Chagore, Kainsena, Manzuni, Dembe Tapsuda, Tandengi Rawanjik Tapsu in Basonza, Manzu Sonja Winchimena, Manzu Mazati, Tandende. Truth be triumph, truth be never lose. This is Tandange Manazu Zata Lekut Sojungin Naloleya, Purichidun Soba Zubegi, Sanegi, Soba Cheka, Jugdown, Pudun Yava, Puranza Lutu Sobadan, Afuzadun Soba, Habartu, Shinshitamba Kuni, Zegin Kursagi, Pugel Ranzen Lenzogi, Pugel Ranzen Lenzogi, Soba, Titan, Habatu.
Yana titolo misego, ta konzo kare chegu yeme de tanzo ka misego kale jone chi chi go yinse odin di sonson. Ane tangare ngone sel soya keja khaji ji kare yese de zam ta tanda nganzo ndel ta de zam mo so tonja mo bo dos chin zam de zam de nganzo ge juntu ne kase jin zam to go yeme tola ta te muntu de ndo to de nge de ani shimo ni gal yo re son. Today in the chat somaga, and so the tower launch carry email a mate bitolone. Then answer pay mriji chet the pep jagaji chet in one is a chat on a trollop of language remato and a chigo, chill a sudajana and a cotta jonathan yeja mare, the yana tawanine, DJ or mare, Tinichi or mare sang with them. Ane Tangaru Karishia, the Jaji Paologa dancing, Shasha, your Kashiente, and it. They don't drive to the Tamshi City no one in a Tatichi. Gentu Manton, the Tewa Maja, the Nizoke, Tolope Mesig, the Timachi Sharo cheese and what they make a chishi, and it's Somal Tujiche, and a Shambachi Sham, and a Pejalo, Pejalo, Peratejalo, 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 Tuche.
Dear Jawe, Purgi, Udina
Moment rally today. Thomas has just turned 18 years old. He recently walked 1,000 miles to bring awareness for Tibet. Thomas was influenced by his father William, who has traveled to Tibet several times, has helped rebuild monasteries, and has raised funds for educating Tibetans.
I want to thank you guys for letting me come out here and speak to you. And I would also like to first preface my speech with a quick apology if my words sound harsh, but I believe all of them to be true. About 2 months ago, I started walking 1,000 miles for Tibet. 7 days ago, I finished in Utah on the peak of a mountain with 4 Tibetans accompanying me. Throughout my whole journey, my message has always been the same: don't forget Tibet. Many people in today's world are forgetting the millions of Tibetans who face incredible challenges that come with being occupied by a major foreign government. And many other governments which may be able to help, or at least sympathize, are more concerned with the business and profits that China offers, regardless of the legislation they pass. Gompo Tashi Adruksan said, "As an optimist and a staunch believer in the justice of our cause, I cannot entertain the notion that I and some 80,000 of my countrymen have been exiled from our native land forever. On the other hand, I am also conscious of a deep sense of frustration at not being able to oppose effectively the forces of oppression which drove us from our homes. I am sure many of you relate to this feeling. My father refers to this feeling as the frustration of being Tibetan. Well, I am here today to say what I've been saying for months. Don't let the spark of hope go out. Learn about Tibet, and as you do, a spark for Tibetan independence will light within you, and you must not let that spark go out. Maybe you already have this spark, so keep it going.
Those rights face even greater danger under China's so-called ethnic unity.
Soin cho. Bao tu sa. À. Nghe khapa đằng cái chơi rồi đi. Chỉ làm sao. Khapa từ đằng cái kia rồi coi có lao vào chơi sao ba.
Where are you? Language rights in Tibet. Stop the killing in Tibet. Stop the killing in Tibet. Stop the torture in Tibet. Stop the torture in Tibet. Stop the murders in Tibet. Allow the media in Tibet.
Community, institution and people of conscience everywhere to stand with Tibet and to speak out for human rights, justice and Tibetan people's right to determine our own future. To my fellow Tibetans, particularly and especially to those young and new generations, our martyrs have carried the torch of sacrifice. Now it's our responsibility to keep the flame alive. Let's organize, let's educate, let's speak, let's unite.
Chino concept jam chu cho ki kuba thonda mu chalia kuja ngun de phebe tho ne deri de pyo shunul hanzo ki leguna ya phebe pyo mima chiti lesu number re pyo shunul hanzo ki jijab sokzo dagana shin ki sane shunu sokzo je be gule number ta en haba